We see what are the various types of software testing. In software testing, we can find mainly two types of testing. One is functional testing and another one is non-functional testing. We'll check one by one. We'll start with functional testing. What is functional testing? Functional testing is nothing but functionality of a system. For example, in any application, there are several objects. We check every functionality of every object. It is called functionality. Then we can also test functionality testing. There are several characteristics of functional testing. First one is GUI testing, next input domain testing, error handling testing, output domain testing, database testing, data volume testing, recovery testing, and inter-system testing. Now we will see what is GUI testing. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Nothing but screen. In this, testing team can operate every object in every screen of software built to confirm those screen's objects are working or not. It is GUI testing. Next, input domain testing. In this, testing team can enter different type and different size of input to check correctness of input objects in every screen of every software build. For example, in banking application, the account number is of 10-digit numeric value. If we enter less or high 10-digit value, it should not accept. Then we can say that it is input domain testing. Next one is error handling testing. Here, tester can enter wrong inputs and observe upcoming error message correctness. We can also say instead of numeric value, if we give alphanumeric value, it should show error message. It is called error handling testing. Next one is output domain testing. In this, testing can enter valid inputs and observe correctness of upcoming output. For example, if we take banking application, if we enter valid username and valid password, it has to show account details page. If it doesn't show details page, we can say there is an error in output. We are giving valid input and valid data, but it's not taking valid it is taking invalid input, means it does not showing correct output. It is called output domain testing. Next is database testing. During this testing team can operate software build screens and observe the impact of that operation on software build database. In this we can check data validation and data integrity. What is data validation? Data validation means the correctness newly inserted data in database. That is, if we entered a new record which is valid, then it is data validation. What is data integrity? Means the impact of new data insertion on existing data. We can take an example. If we made any changes to existing record, it shows correct result. It should give correct result. Then we can say it is in data integrity. Next one is data volume testing. This testing is also called as capacity testing or memory testing. In this we give model data to software build database to find capacity of the database. For example, if we entered right data which is acceptable by the database in an application, we can say it is model data. That is what we call data volume testing. Recovery testing. If the software build is made in wrong environments, means it should show correct, it should give correct results in wrong environments also. We can also observe whether software build is changing from abnormal state to normal state or not. It is called recovery testing. Inter-system testing. During this testing, software under testing will connect to other software to share resources. These are the characteristics of functional testing. Now we will see